Hi, this is Mary Moen, the instructor for LSC527 Digital Information Literacy Instruction. The purpose of this video is to show you how to navigate Sakai for this course. I'm going to go over the buttons on the left here and what you're going to find at each button, and we'll start with the overview button. This is the screen you'll see when you log into this particular course. It has my contact information, and you can see that it's going to tell you to go to the Start Here tab first. First, I'll tell you the syllabus tab. You'll just click on that and go to that's where the syllabus will be. The Start Here tab is where you're going to go to actually do some introductory activities. You're going to see this, how to navigate in Sakai. There'll be technology requirements, learning objectives. You'll also find the syllabus here, and there's going to be some orientation setup activities that you need to do. Once you're finished with these, the tab that you're going to be using the most is this Lessons tab. And here, each week, a new lesson will be visible for you, and you're going to click on it, and I give you a little introduction to the lesson, our essential questions, student learning objectives, and then you're going to click on the activities for that week, the things that you need to do. You can go to this, use the back button to get back, or you can see it's a little darker up here, but you can also go to these breadcrumbs and get back as well. The forums, this is where you're going to be posting weekly, and I've numbered the weeks and the dates that they're due, and there's the little instructions on what to do here. In the Assignments tab, you're going to see that there's 3 assignments for this course, and if you click on each, it gives you some instructions, and the rubrics will be attached. So let's go back to the assignments. Resources, in this tab, you're going to find resources. I have, hopefully the folders are labeled in ways that make sense to you. This is a really important one, the lesson plan design resources. We're going to be doing a lot of lesson planning. I've actually given you some examples of student work and links to statewide library databases, just things that have come up in the past that students have needed. I like to use the announcement tool. Every week I'll be sending you an announcement welcoming you to the new week, and if there's any updates or special information I need to communicate, I'll do this here. You will be getting an email. The announcement goes to your URI email account, so it's really important you check that several times a week. And the reason I use the announcement tool, though, is so every time I communicate with you, it's going to be archived here in this site. So instead of searching through all your emails, you're going to be able to find it in the announcements. I use the grade book. That's updated weekly, and you can keep track of your progress through that. There's also a link to the URI Library's website if you need that. So that is a brief introduction on how we use Sakai, and if you have any questions, please don't ever hesitate to contact me. Thank you.